Straight to the Gujarat gaming zone, the TRP gaming zone arena, which caught fire. Let me reiterate, the Gujarat High Court, while hearing the suo motu case, has reprimanded the state government over the incident. In fact, the court has asked the Gujarat government to file an affidavit by the 3rd of June, with next hearing scheduled for June 6th. In fact, the High Court there has said the state government and the local administration could not be trusted and that people were dying of negligence of the state machinery. The High Court has also rapped the state government, asking why it was sleeping for 2.5 years when it knew very well that a disaster of such nature was impending. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed CCTV footage that clearly shows exact moments of the blast. Welding work was going on in a part of that gaming zone. Spark from that welding led to an explosion, triggering that massive fire. 3 people have been arrested so far in the case, with 3 others absconding. FIR has been filed against a total of 6 people. Lookout notice has been issued against all 4 absconding accused. Now, Gujarat police have arrested 3 people, including the person involved in the welding work, and both owners, and the owner as well as the manager. Both of them have been taken into custody.
जब इंस्पेक्शन के लिए ये गए तो उनका बीयू परमिशन है कि नहीं है, फायर एनओसी है कि नहीं है, एंट्री एग्जिट के पॉइंट ठीक है कि नहीं है, जो भी सलामती के दूसरे साधन होने चाहिए वो है कि नहीं है, उनकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है और कितने लोगों को अलाउड कर रहे हैं, वो करंट स्टेटस उनका क्या है, वो सारे अलग अलग पहलुओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया कि फिलहाल जब तक इनकी स्टेबिलिटी में जो होना चाहिए वो पैरामीटर्स अगर वो फॉलो नहीं हो रहे तो उनको अभी शुरू नहीं कर रहे हैं.
माणसना जीवथी वधारे किमती कशुं ज न होई शके. गमे तेटली मोटी रकम, गमे ते मोटा आश्वासनो माणसनो जीव पाछो नथी लावी शकता. અને એટલે જ વારંવાર નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે પણ એવું હતું કે ફાયર સેફટીના દરેક પ્રાવધાન વ્યવસ્થિત રાખો.
રાજકોટ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનના અધિકારીઓ કરોડો રૂપિયાનો પગાર એટલા માટે લે છે કે આખા રાજકોટ કોર્પોરેશનની અંદર જ્યાં જ્યાં ફાયરના સાધનોની જરૂર હોય ત્યાં લાગ્યા છે કે કેમ નથી લાગ્યા, તો એ યુનિટોને બંધ કરાવવા, ફાયરના સાધનો લાગે એના માટે સતત મોનિટરિંગ કરવું, સુપરવિઝન કરવું, પેટ્રોલિંગ કરવું, એના માટે સરકારના કરોડો રૂપિયાનો પગાર મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનના ફાયર વિભાગના માણસોને મળે છે.
Let me cut across to Brijesh Doshi joining us for more on that. Brijesh, please give us more on the case. The Rajkot TRP gaming zone fire has killed 28 people, many of them included children. Give us more on the actual reason for that fire to break out and more on that waiver form that the owners have made people who are entering the premises sign. So any kind of mishap happens inside the gaming zone, they are not responsible. Will that act as a shield on them?
Nabila, right now I'm at the spot which is in the news from the last 48 hours. The TRP gaming zone, these are the rankages of the zone here. This is the kind of land right now where the structure was 50 or 60 meters odd. Structure was built here. It was made of the plastic and the fiber, because of which the blast was so serious that 28 people died on the spot, and the body were burnt like that. They were not identified by the body. Police has to do the DNA test to identify those bodies. So these are the rankages of the mall here, the rankages of the game zone which was built here from last 4 years. It was active here in the since last 4 years, and that's why Gujarat High Court ramps the Rajkot Municipal Corporation, Municipal Commissioner, as well as the Gujarat government, that this kind of situation, why there was a close eye by the government officials, and why there was no eye on the structure, or why there was no review done by the authorities as well. So this kind of thing was told by the High Court as well. There was a welding
High
work
Court
going
has
on
pulled up the state machinery. We believe that the High Court has said that the state government was sleeping on this. This could have been prevented. What did they really mean by saying that?
High Court has rammed the Rajkot Municipal Corporation that this structure was going on from the last more than 4 years, since 2021. So that's why High Court has rammed the Rajkot Municipal Commission as well as the Gujarat government that why the authorities have the close eye against this activity, why there was no permission given, no permission was sought by the game zone owner, why it was running on the residential area. This was, if I will ask my cameraman to show you the residential area near to the this gaming zone. So these are the residential area where this building was, this structure was there, and after the havoc or after the massive tragedy, the question arises here. So that's why the High Court has pulled the Municipal Commissioner of Rajkot and the state government as well.
All right. So multiple lapses here as well. That the gaming zone was functioning while there was refurbishing work that was underway. Welding was happening with inflammable material that was placed right beside. That caught fire, resulting in the blaze spreading across. And it's also a gaming zone that's functional within a residential area. The owners have been arrested. Thanks very much for joining us on that.